It was the notorious polar vortex winter.
Watching the sea of people walk in here, literally in hats and gloves and parkas.
These stained glass windows radiating cold like they're AC units.
When we originally purchased this building, and we knew we had a big HVAC project to undertake.
To show up and for your church to not be a warm, comfortable space, it's not a great thing for people to really want to come to church.
CIF has been with us the whole way.
And they all have their coffee, they all have their tea, and I'm just seeing this like whole portrait of coffee and tea steam rising up from the cups in the pews.
Costs were mounting to replace failed heating and cooling systems inside the 113-year-old Trinity City Church building in urban St. Paul, Minnesota. But a church loan from Christian Investors Financial helped bring needed comfort in more ways than one.
It's a challenge sometimes to find financial partners, and from everything I understand, CIF has been with us the whole way, trying to be creative and help us find a solution, and it totally made this project possible. So yeah, we're deeply grateful for everything you guys have brought to the table here.
We have challenges due to growth, which is great challenges to have.
A little above 40% of our congregation is under the age of 18. Families are staying, so not only is our kids ministry very full, but our youth ministry keeps on doubling in size year after year.
It's a little painful for the congregation to swallow the cost of this HVAC project relative to the price we paid for the building. It's very gratifying to see that we can make a long-term investment like this HVAC project in a space like this to keep it occupied and to use it for God's glory.
Having this old system that I would say it was really thoughts and prayers that was holding it together every year to finally be updated takes a lot of stress off the ministry and honestly creates an environment that we can increase hospitality.
HVAC helps. We do live in Minnesota after all.
CIF has a framework that you want to help in a way that doesn't hurt churches, that you want them to still be in a good financial position, that after you take out a loan like this, that you're still able to function as a ministry and thrive as a ministry. And so the CIF has just great metrics, great coaching on that. And even though I wasn't involved in like the super details of it, because we're more of an urban professional church, that there's folks that worked with you that CIF was able to talk their language. Like there's people that just are on the level professionally that CIF is, and they talk about the best way to arrange the loan to meet these goals, so that there's even clarity on when the pledges come in, the timing of interest, the timing of the principal plus the interest, like all those things, so that the way it starts rolling out provides the least amount of financial stress to the church and provides the greatest amount of clarity on how much the church is going to be able to cover and how much CIF is going to cover as well.
With CIF's help in the original procurement purchase of this building, these old spaces can be found at quite a discount. I mean, compared to what it would cost to build this, it's an order of magnitude less, right? And so that was just a total gift from God and a complete answer to prayer.
Many people are surprised when they hear that this church is only 15 years old, that I'm the founding pastor, and I think this building has something to do with it because it communicates stability and presence.